Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics of Standard 8th, Chapter number 4, Altitudes and Medians of a Triangle. Now we will see what is altitude. So altitude is perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex to the opposite side of it is called altitude. In a triangle, all the three altitudes are concurrents and the point of concurrence of this altitude is called as orthocenter and it is denoted by O. For example, in triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC. So, AD is called as an altitude. Now we will draw altitudes of different types of triangle. Simultaneously, we will solve practice set 4.1. First, we will take altitudes of acute angle triangle. So, for that, we will take question number 2 of practice set 4.1. Draw acute angle PQR. Draw all of its altitude and see the point of orthocenter. So, now we will draw triangle PQR, that is acute angle triangle. So we took acute angle triangle PQR. Now we have to draw altitudes of it. So first we will take set square. Perpendicular end of this set square we will keep on QR and till P. Students, this perpendicular side should be parallel to QR and it is perpendicular to QR. So now we will draw altitude. We will give any name. So I will take here A. Now PA perpendicular to QR. Similarly, we will draw altitude from Q to PR. Now again, perpendicular end we have to keep on PR. Now we will give name QB perpendicular to PR. Now we will draw third altitude, that is from R. Now the perpendicular end should be on side PQ. We will give name C. So RC perpendicular to PQ. Students, now if you observe, all these three altitudes are concurrents, that is they intersected in one point. So this point of concurrence of all altitude is called as orthocenter and it is denoted by O. Now students, if you observe, the location of orthocenter of acute angle triangle is at the interior part of the triangle. Now we will draw altitudes of right angle triangle. So we will draw any right angle triangle ABC. We will take A and B of any measure. Now we have to draw right angle. So I will take protractor mark for 90 degree. Now I will join the mark with the point A. Now this is point C. Now I will join BC. Now our right angle triangle ABC is ready. Now we will draw altitude of it. First we will draw altitude from point A to side BC. So we will take set square. Perpendicular end will be on BC and other end will go to A. We will give any name, suppose M. AM perpendicular to BC. Now students, as these two sides are already perpendicular, so these two sides are only altitude of triangle. So there is no need of drawing other two altitudes of right angle triangle. So orthocenter will be point A. So always remember, in right angle triangle, orthocenter of altitudes is always on triangle and that is on vertex of right angle. Now we will draw altitudes of obtuse angle triangle. So first we will see in practice set 4.1. Question number 4. Draw obtuse angle triangle LMN, draw its altitude and point the orthocenter. So we will draw any obtuse angle triangle. This is our obtuse angle triangle. As per question, we will give the name L, M and N. Now we will draw altitude from point M. So we will take again set square, perpendicular end on Ln and other end will come on Ln. So first altitude is ready. We will give name A. So MA perpendicular to Ln. Now we will draw altitude from point L. Now student, if you will observe, if we will take this perpendicular end on MN, so to draw the perpendicular, the side is getting over. So to draw the perpendicular, we have to extend side MN. So I extend side MN. Now I will draw perpendicular from point L to MN. The procedure is same. Keep the perpendicular end on MN and other end should go with point L. Now we will give name B. Now again we have to draw altitude from point N on side Ln. So for that we will keep perpendicular end on side Ln. Now student, if you will see, to draw the altitude, if we will push this set square till N, the side is getting over. So again we will extend side Ln. Now we will draw altitude from N on LM. So perpendicular N is on LM. Now this is our third altitude. We will give name C. So CM perpendicular to LM. Now student, if you observe, all the three altitudes are not intersecting each other. So there is no orthocenter. No, we have to extend all this altitude. So we will join all this altitude. Now these two altitudes we join. Now we will join third altitude. Now student, if you see, we got the intersection of all altitudes. So we will give orthocenter O. Now we have to give the location of orthocenter. So if you observe, the orthocenter of obtuse angle triangle is at the exterior part of the triangle.